In this video, we'll be teaching you basic multiplication and division. To begin, there are many different words that multiplication is referred to, most commonly product, times, or lots of. For the first example, 6 times 4 can also be described as 4 lots of 6. This basically means that 6 added together 4 times is equivalent to 6 multiplied by 4. It can also be written out as 4 times 6, which is 4 lots of 6. 4 added together 6 times will give you the same answer. Any number multiplied by 0 always equals 0. For example, 3 times 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. When multiplying 2 digits or more, you need to make sure that you know the ones, tens, and hundreds columns. For 27 multiplied by 14, you have to begin with 4 times 7, which is 28. You write the 8 in the ones column, then add a 2 on top of the tens column. You then multiply 4 by 20, giving you 80. However, you need to add the 2 in the tens column, which equals 20, giving you the answer of 108. Next, you have to start the next line with a 0. Then you continue the same process, 10 times 7 giving you 70, and then finishing it off with 10 times 20 with the result being 270. Finally, you add the two numbers with the final result being 378. When multiplying 3 digits or more, such as 276 times 152, the steps are the same as with 2 digits. Times the ones column at the bottom by the ones column at the top, then the tens column, and then the hundreds column. In this case, it will be 2 times 6, 2 times 70, and 2 times 200, giving you 552. You then add a 0 before you start the next line, and then move on to the tens column. 50 times 6, 50 times 70, and 50 times 200, giving you 13,800. Before starting the next line, you need to add another 0 again, which makes it 2 zeros. Then you start by doing 100 times 6, 100 times 70, and 100 times 200, giving you 27,600. The last step is to add the results of all 3 lines, giving you 41,952. Division is commonly said as quotient, goes into, or divides. With the example 6 divided by 3, it is basically saying that you have 6 things and you have to put them into 3 groups. How many will be in each group? Well, splitting 6 into 3 groups would mean there are 2 in each group. A way to check that your answer is correct is by multiplying 3 by 2 and seeing if you get 6. It can also be split into 2 groups of 3, giving the same answer. Long division requires the number being divided within the symbol, and the number it's getting divided by is placed on the outside. In this case, it will be 4. So, first, you have to see how many times the 4 will fit into the 1. It is 0, meaning you write 0 under the 1 and then bring the 1 down to the next line below. You then also bring down the 0, giving the number 10 to be in the next line. Again, you have to see how many times the 4 will fit into the 10. This time, it will fit 2 times, as that will be 8. You write the 2 at the top of the symbol. You subtract the 10 and 8 and the answer of 2 will be given. You write the 2 underneath in the next line and then bring down the next number, which is 8. For the final line, you have to fit 4 into 28 as many times as you can. It can fit 7 times, equaling 28. Finally, you write the 7 next to the 2 above the symbol, giving no remainders. The links to some worksheets that are good for practicing these skills will be put in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.